You searched how to make Google Docs black. This is the full guide, and this is the white editing screen we're going to fix. Click the address bar, type Chrome Web Store, press enter. The Chrome Web Store homepage loads. I'm in Chrome, so this is the store you want. If you're on Edge or Firefox, the same extension name works in that browser's add-on page. Click inside the search box at the top left. Type Google Docs Dark Mode. Hit enter. The results page loads. You'll see Google Docs Dark Mode near the top, usually with a black document icon. Dark Reader will also show up here. I'd skip Dark Reader for this job because it forces dark mode onto every website you visit, and that can make parts of Google Docs look strange. The dedicated Google Docs Dark Mode extension only touches Docs, so everything stays legible. On the Google Docs Dark Mode card, click the blue Add to Chrome button. Chrome opens a confirmation pop-up near the top right. Click Add Extension in that pop-up. Wait a second while the progress bar finishes. The button changes to Checking, then Added to Chrome. Now look in the toolbar at the top right. If you don't see the extension icon, click the little puzzle piece to open the extensions list. Find Google Docs Dark Mode in that list. Click the pin icon next to it so the icon stays in your toolbar. Now open a Google Doc, or if one is already open, refresh the tab. Click the refresh arrow in the top left of Chrome. The document reloads, and yes, it still comes back white, exactly like before. That's why a lot of people think the extension didn't install. It did. The extension is installed, but it is not switched on yet. Click the Google Docs Dark Mode icon in the toolbar. A small pop-up opens. The pop-up might show one switch or a short list of styles. If the switch has an off label, it's pointing there now. Click it and watch the document behind the pop-up flip to black. The page background goes dark and the text goes light. If that does not happen right away, refresh the tab one more time. Chrome sometimes needs a reload after installing a new extension before the dark styles actually apply. Once it's applied, scroll down the document and move your cursor through a few lines. You'll see the page edges are black, the text is a soft off-white, and your cursor is visible. Headings and links keep their colors instead of turning a weak gray. That's the advantage of using the doc-specific extension. A general dark mode tool will sometimes turn your blue links a strange brown or purple. This one leaves the document colors that matter alone. Now click inside a table or a comment area if your doc has one. Those usually darken as well. If you have a doc with colored text, check that now. Very light colors like yellow become easier to read against the black, but dark blue text can get too dark. If you spot that, click the extension icon again. Look for a contrast or strength setting. Not every version has it, but if yours does, drop the intensity a little until the text separates from the background. Let's do the most common thing people need next. Switching back. Click the extension icon, hit the same toggle. The document instantly returns to the light theme. You can flip between the two without refreshing. That's useful when you need to see what a reader will see before you share it. The second thing worth knowing, this dark theme is only on screen. For downloads, the file is generated from the original document, not from what's on your screen. Open File. Hover over Download. Click PDF Document. The PDF preview that comes up stays white, so if you're sending the doc or printing it, the black look will not follow the file. That's exactly what you want. And the last thing I check before sharing, dark mode is only on your machine. Click Share in the top right. The sharing box opens. Anyone you send this to still sees a normal white document unless they install the extension on their own browser, so there's nothing to warn them about. If this got your docs looking the way it should, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people searching for the same thing.